चलिए अंशिका, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट योर कंप्लीट इंट्रोडक्शन.
Good morning, sir. I am Madhika Hanska Verma. My name matches with my personality as I am the philanthropist and a jovial girl. I am from Hyderabad, which is also known as a city of pearls. I have done my dual standard with 93% and 10th standard with 9.8 CGPA. I have scored second position in NTC exam which was conducted in my 10th standard and scored first position in UAU exam which was conducted in my 6th standard. I have played chess at district level and I have won a dance competition while I was in my 7th standard. My friends are all new versatile because of my very adjustable nature. My hobbies are doing painting and doing yoga. As far as my strengths are concerned, I am self confident and I am disciplined and I have a very organized personality. Thank you, sir.
What do you know about Triple IT Hyderabad?
So, IIIT Hyderabad stands out for its very well known research on AI and computer science. Oh,
Why do you
oh.
want to join Triple IT Hyderabad?
I want to join IIIT Hyderabad because I want to do a well known research on all the newest technology that is going on today. Okay.
Okay, what is your favorite subject and why?
So, my favorite subject is maths. It's because I like problem solving and I like how all those numericals make my brain work. And its equations are always in daily applications also because it makes me think and it makes me be active.
Tell something about permutation and combination.
So permutation and combination is a topic from algebra. It's all about combinations and it's all about the probability. It conveys a message about a how many combinations we have per one selection.
Okay, tell me the difference between quadrilateral and rectangle.
So triangle consists, okay, rectangle, sorry. Rectangle is a type of a quadrilateral. It contains four sides, and rectangle, which has all sides, has 90 degrees, and only two opposite sides are parallel and equal in size. Whereas quadrilateral, it may have any angle that it can be where sum of all the angles should be 360 degrees. And the size doesn't matter in quadrilateral as it matters in rectangle.
And what is the difference between polygons and quadrilateral?
Polygons contain a number of sides, like there may be two or more number of sides. They are known as polygons. And rectangle should have only four sides. Oh,
Discovered surface area.
so
Who discovered surface area?
I
Archimedes.
Archimedes. Okay. Can I kind of note it also?
No need.
No. Okay. Like, will they ask this? Okay.
What is the difference between rational and irrational numbers?
Rational numbers have they don't contain a negative root. I mean iota. Irrational roots comes under where it contains a iota. And rational numbers are also known as the numbers in which they can write in a p by q form. But irrational numbers cannot be written in p by q form.
What is the value of sine 120 degree?
Sine 120 degree. Sine 90 plus 30, it will contain. Is it 1 by 2, sir? 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2.
It is under root 3 upon 2 or 0.866.
0 point. Okay, I'm sorry, sir.
No problem. Define probability.
Define probability. It's the number of possible events divided by total number of events.
What is commutative laws?
Cumulative laws. It's nothing but like it represents a law where it says that one equation, like for example, if we take A and B, cumulative law represents A plus B equals to B plus A. Or if we take multiplication, we have A and B, A into B equals to B into A. This is nothing but cumulative law.
What is the role of catalyst?
The role of a catalyst is to enhance a reaction, which makes the reaction faster. And it helps the reaction to move in a forward direction more fastly.
Okay. You tell me about which is your favorite in chemistry, organic or inorganic?
Inorganic, sir.
Okay. So what is your favorite topic in inorganic?
In inorganic, classification of periodic tables.
Periodic tables.
Periodic table.
So how to learn periodic table? There are various short forms or mnemonics. Can you
Yes,
explain
sir.
any mnemonic?
Okay, I don't prefer any short form actually. Sometimes in group I do prefer like learning the groups vertically, but I prefer to learn from first atom to the last atom, like horizontally. In that way, I can even remember the atomic numbers and all. And I prefer to learn the last group because last group consists of noble gases and it's very important.
Okay, why you opted engineering as your career? There are various others.
Engineering is interesting for me actually. It it is very interesting, and I felt like I could do much more rather than in another career options. In engineering, that I can do more than I have thought.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
So, as far as my strengths are concerned, I am self-confident, I am disciplined, and have a very organized personality. As far as my weaknesses are concerned, I uh, I want perfection in everything that I do, and sometimes it makes me to think a lot, and sometimes it confuses me. And having a perfectionist in everything makes me slow down in the process.
Okay. How will you manage yourself over there? Like for this, you have to leave your family, you have to stay out of your family.
Okay. At that time, I try to calm myself first of all. At these kind of situations, I take some time off for myself. I think about it for a little bit of time, not being extravagant. And then I try to solve the problem step by step.
How you handle pressure in your studies?
So there are actually two kinds of pressures. One is positive and one is negative. I think positive pressure is actually important to do any work, but negative pressure, it slows me down because it doesn't make me do the work at a certain amount of time because I take my own time. So I handle the pressure by taking, by relaxing for a bit, for a 1 minute or 2 minutes like that. I think, I relax, and then I proceed with the work.
What is your short-term and long-term goal of life?
So for now, my short-term goal is to get into IIIT Hyderabad by passing this interview. And my long-term goal is to see myself as a successful engineer.
See, suppose you get selected, then what would be your further aim of life after completing your engineering from here?
So my further aim will be uh, to work in a specific place that I have got after IIIT.
Okay.
I will just keep on trying to achieve more in my life, trying to do the things I'm interested in.
Okay, speak something of laws of motion.
So there are three laws of motion. First law consists of moment of inertia, where we'll get to know F equals to ma. Second law consists of momentum, where F equals to mv by t. And third law consists of a reverse bias. I mean, for a reaction, there is an every equal and opposite reaction. So your mic is on mute. Yeah.
Tell about oscillatory movement.
Oscillatory moment is one of a simple harmonic motion. So oscillatory moment, it defines an object doing a periodic motion, to and fro motion, where the time period will be defined, where the motion will be defined, and the acceleration will be as its own.
Tell about thermodynamics.
So thermodynamics is a branch of physics and chemistry. It differs in both the subjects, only with the science. So thermodynamics consists of three laws, including a zeroth law. Zeroth law says that when one when one I'm sorry, when one I don't know, when A plus B, when A is connected to C and B is connected to C, and they are both equal, then A and B will also be connected. This is the zeroth law. First law says that heat is equals to work done plus internal energy.
Tell about redox reactions.
So redox reaction is a reaction where both reduction and oxidation occurs at the same time.
You tell me about the structure of atom.
Structure of atom. There were many discoveries on structure of atom. First discovery was the plum pudding model, which was given by J.J. Thomson, where the structure was actually failed, but it conveyed a message to do furthermore experiments for a structure of atom. And then lastly, we got Pauling's model, which will also explain about the fundamental structure of the atomic structure. As per now, the structure that the atom has is a spherical structure where the electrons will be revolving around the nucleus, and the nucleus contains protons and neutrons.
Okay, tell me about carboxylic acids.
So carboxylic acid, it actually contains a functional group which is known as COOH, where O will be connected as a double bond and one OH will be connected as an alcohol. So carboxylic acid are a type of acid which is not very strong, but compared to organic chemistry, it is one of the strongest acid.
What are haloalkanes?
So haloalkanes are a type of carbon structure where we have chlorine or all the halogens connected to a carbon in different forms. So we can say C connected to Cl, C connected to F, C connected to I, and C connected to Br. So all these are known as haloalkanes.
Okay, what is your happiest moment of life?
So my happiest moment of life is there was once a family trip where I have visited Konark. So it was a beautiful place and I have enjoyed a lot there. It was one of the happiest moment in my life.
Okay. How you felt with PD classes? कैसा लग रहा है आपको हमारे साथ?
I feel very confident, sir, actually, because later on when I give an interview, I'll be having the best moment because before I used to not be so confident, but now I'm very confident. So the confidence was given by your practice, so I'm very thankful for that.
Okay. We'll be giving you a very dynamic thing that is our Brahmastar, which will teach you what you are supposed to do in interview chamber, how
Okay,
you
sir.
have to handle this interviewers in front of you. For example, this is online, then there might be two interviewers sitting, three interviewers sitting, or might be one also. So the thing is
Okay,
how you have to behave, what you should do in your interview chamber, that everything will be uh, taken by the Brahmastar itself that will explain you. Okay, that's a wonderful thing. You have
okay.
given a very good intro. Keep it up. बहुत अच्छा दिया. Very good.
Thank
Super.
you.